In this video, we are going to demonstrate the PMT or payment function. The Excel PMT function is a financial function that returns the periodic payment for a loan. The payment returned by PMT includes principal and interest. For the purpose of this video, we are going to have Excel do the calculation on what the payment will be for our business. We are borrowing $100,000 at an annual interest rate of 3.75% for 15 years or 180 months. First, click on B7. Click on the Formula tab. From the Financial button on the toolbar, scroll down and locate the PMT function. For this example, we will use three arguments: rate, NPER, and PV. The rate is the interest for the loan. The interest rate is an annual rate, which means we need to divide the rate by 12. 12 represents 12 months in a year. Click into cell B5 and divide by 12. The NPER is the total number of payments for the loan. Click into cell B6 and multiply by 12. The 12 represents 12 months in a year. Notice on the right you see 180. The 180 represents 180 payments. The PV is the present value, or the total of all loan payments now. Reference cell B4 by clicking in cell B4. Click OK. Notice the payment $77.22 has parentheses and the text is red. This is because it is a negative number and will be a payment which is negative out of the bank account. $727.22 includes the principal and interest. We want the payment to return a positive number for the next part of the project. We want to figure out how much we will need to pay for the total amount of the loan, and the negative number will not calculate the amount correctly. Click into cell B7, go to the formula bar, and put a hyphen or a minus symbol in front of B4, which is the loan amount. Hit Enter on the keyboard. Now the payment is a positive number and represents principal and interest, which is $727.22. Next, we need to find out how much this loan will cost us after 15 years or 80 payments, including the principal and interest. For this formula, click in cell B8. Start with the equal sign. Click on the cell B6 for number of years, then multiply by 12, then multiply the loan payment. When finished, hit Enter on the keyboard. Now we know how much the loan will be paid, including the original loan and interest. The amount we will have to pay back the bank is $130,900.04. Next, let's figure out the total interest we will be paying back to the bank. Click into cell B9. Press the equals key, click into cell B8 and subtract B4. The interest amount we will be paying back the bank is $30,904. You have just learned how to do the PMT or payment function and figure out the total interest that we will pay back the bank.